Hi guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we're going to be unboxing the superhero box from the amazing mystery box company. Now I have done one of their boxes before in a previous video. I did their Harry Potter box. So I thought I would do their superhero box to give a bit more superhero Marvel content to this channel that it has really been missing lately. I am also looking at their website to see what other mystery boxes they have that are suitable to do on this channel, and they will come to you in the new year. I am going to open this box and then we can have a look at what's inside. So I have just opened the box, and before I give you a sneak peek, I would like to mention that when this box arrived, it was a little bit damaged. So hopefully everything in here is okay. So these are the items in this box. Now, first off, I don't see initially anything Marvel, which is really, really sad because Marvel is obviously my favourite. But the first item I have seen is a figurine. Who this person is, I don't know because it doesn't say. It tells you on the top that they are from the DC Comics universe, but I have absolutely no idea who this is. It looks to me a bit like a villain, but I have absolutely no idea who that is whatsoever, so that is not a very good start. The next item in this box is a practical item, and it is a tote bag, and it says DC superheroes with all the different superheroes at the bottom. Now, I love superhero movies, but I'm a bigger Marvel fan than a DC fan. But I have to say, I did love Wonder Woman when it came out. But on here, you have all the different DC characters. So we've got The Flash, Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, Green Lantern, and I can't tell you anybody else. Oh, there's the person I think who's from Arrow. Tried to watch Arrow, couldn't get into it. This feels like a very thin tote bag. So I don't think it's very good quality, which is a shame. So the next item I can see is a pen, and this is a Batman pen. Now this item is something that I will use because it is practical, pens are useful, and I do like Batman. And the same with this tote bag, I will probably get use out of it, but they are not something that I would necessarily reach for in a shop because it's just not Marvel. Now, in a package here, the next item that I've pulled out, we have a t-shirt. So I'm going to see what's on the t-shirt. Oh, very pleasant. Now, I will probably, because this is in my size, wear it because I do love Batman and the Joker. And it says, don't mess with the best. Oh, there's Harley Quinn on there. I do love Harley Quinn. Harley Quinn's probably one of my favourites from the DC universe, along with Catwoman. That is a really nice print on the t-shirt, but it's very, very thin compared to the top I've got on at the moment. This feels very, very thin, but it looks very comfy, very baggy. So that's a win for me. So we have 2 items left in this box. The first item is a magazine or a comic strip. Now this will probably be going to a friend to give it a good home. But this comic, it is a Justice League comic. And it's got all the different characters from Justice League. So we have Superman, Green Lantern, Aquaman, Batman, and Wonder Woman. And if we look inside, it's just your normal superhero comic. Nothing fancy, nothing special about it. And this is definitely not something I would reach for in the shop, but I think one of my friends would really enjoy this. And the last item that we have is a mystery bag, and it's called Pint-Sized Heroes. Now, on the back, we have 3 different forms of Captain America, of Batman, I should say. Then we have Catwoman. No, not Catwoman, that's Batgirl. Robin, Harley Quinn, Poison Ivy, Joker, not quite sure who that next one is, the Riddler, Two-Face, another Batman, another Batgirl, and I think the last one is Catwoman. So there are all the options that I just read out. So I'm going to tear this open. So if we look here, it comes with a little card that says collect them all and you can tick them off. These are made by Funko, apparently. I am being greeted by a cat. I think that's because she's hungry. Oh, we have Batgirl. Now, this Batgirl she is the exclusive. She is very, very cute. I don't know whether I will keep her, but she is very, very cute. So overall, I have to say this box was not very successful. I expected, as it was called a superhero box, to yes have some DC items in there, but I thought that it would predominantly be a mix, so they would have Marvel items in there as well. The items in here, most of them are probably not very high quality. One of the best quality items is probably the comic, and I would possibly say the Pint-Sized Hero, because it is an official Funko thing. This is probably one of the most expensive items in this box, but I could not tell you who that is at all. So I will probably be gifting him away. My favourite item in this box is definitely the t-shirt, because it's one thing that I will definitely get use out of and I will wear, because I don't waste them. They do on their website have a box that is just Marvel, so that's the box I will be trying out next time, along with their Gryffindor box. My least favourite item, as you can probably tell, is definitely this figure. I did or do not like it at all. I can't tell you who it is, and it is something I will not be keeping and I would not purchase for myself. These boxes from the Amazing Mystery Box, I feel like they have not been a success. I'm hoping the Marvel box and their Gryffindor box that I do in the new year has better quality items. But we will see once I purchase those and review them for you guys. Comparing this to the last box that we opened, I have to say the Harry Potter box was better, because there were more items, even though some of them weren't of the best of quality. There were items that I would use or I knew would get utilised, because the pen from the box I have been using quite regularly. The luggage tag we received I will be using. And the bag I've been using regularly to take my lunch into work. So things from that box are getting utilised. I will probably have to ask my friend, who's a big DC fan, of who some of these characters are and what I received. But overall, this box was not successful at all and not what I expected. But once I've tried some of their other boxes, we will be able to give a full overview of whether this company is worth purchasing from. But I will say a lot of these boxes are down to personal preference. So I may not enjoy receiving a tote bag and a pen with Batman and other DC superheroes on, but someone else might feel like this pen is the best thing they've ever opened. So, but from my personal opinion, this wasn't very successful. Please comment down below if there are any mystery boxes that you would like me to try for you that are Harry Potter, Disney or Marvel. If you like this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. Our social medias are linked in the description, so please go and follow those to see exactly what we're up to. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!